everybody. I was going to make a video the other day using the Polaris Ranger and going up there and dragging a tree that broke off in the wind the other day that fell down the middle of the road, and someone in their infinite wisdom needed to go up the road and just threw it over my yard. I dragged it up out in the back down the National Forest Trail and up into the woods. But as luck would have it, as I was towing it up the road, I was wearing gloves because it was 28 degrees Fahrenheit, and I pushed the off button on the camera. So that video is kind of gone by the way of bye-bye. Anyway, what we're going to do today is rewire this trailer. I loaned it to my grandson, and he dropped it off the hitch and drove away and tore all the wires loose. I patched it up so I could go down and pick it up and drive it home last night. We're going to rewire this thing today, and I'm going to try and make it so that if they do that again, they're going to pull the plug loose on the car, not the wires on the trailer. It's about the third or fourth time I've had to do this after loaning it to somebody. They drop it off the tongue and drive away and leave the wires hooked up and tear them loose. Okay, we're going to shut you off now, and I'm going to set the other camera up, and we're going to see. Okay, we're going to lower this tripod down a little bit to see if we can get a little bit closer in. Yeah, that should be better. Okay, we're going to have to start by, I don't know whether you can see it. Yeah, you can see it now. This is hooked up to the back of my truck. There's no power on it now because the truck's turned off. We're going to see if we can get this tape off of here. There's where the wires came from. They tore loose. You see, there's where I patched them and repatched them. This time we're going to solder them. This was the ground. Normally grounds through the trailer ball, so we don't need it. Let me spread these wires. Strip them. Do the same thing down on here. I know for a fact that the color codes match. They're where they're supposed to be. Let me see if I get my knife in my pocket. They're so long, they're stuck together. It's illegal to own that, actually, because I've got arthritis in my fingers, in my thumbs. That's basically the only way I can get the blade out on it sometimes. I'm going to do here is I'm going to tin them beforehand before I try to solder them together. At least that's what my father used to call it. Don't tell me there we go. I might have run over that. It was laying out in the driveway. Make sure the camera's still on. I don't want to go through that again. Yep, still on. Okay. Okay, we got her wired up. I got the wires soldered together, taped up, and then I wrapped this duct tape around them. 3 or 4 layers. Maybe they won't be able to pull it out because it's soldered now. Hopefully the plug will come out versus tearing the wires loose. Okay, let's turn it on and see what happens. We'll turn the full-way flashers on, see what happens. Yeah, it's flashing here. And flashing here as well. And there. Okay. Let's turn the truck on and try the turn signals. Now, come to think of it, I can't turn the truck on because I don't have the keys here. We're going to have to pass on turning the truck on. Turn that off. Well, at least it seems like a success. It was a royal pain because I had to pull. I guess you can see that. I had to pull some new wire up underneath there because some of the wire was torn loose underneath the trailer when he backed up. So you didn't get to see that part, but it was done too. Okay, thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll get this thing put together tonight. Talk to you later. Bye. Hey everybody. Hope you liked that last video. Some of them I like after I get done editing them. Some of them I'm not so fond of, but once they're taken, you don't really know what you got until you go to editing. If you liked it, I'd appreciate if you went down there, clicked on some of the others, give it a thumbs up, write in a comment. Actually, subscribing would be great. I appreciate everything you can do for me. I've got more videos coming. Just getting to them. And thanks for watching.